Sassy Scribble Squad, we're officially 16 days into my no spend challenge. Before I show you my tracker, I want you to take a guess. Do you think I made it off 16 days without spending any money? Or do you think I had a few spend days? Drop your guess in the comments and let's see if you're right. I'll wait.
Stack that cash, let your savings rise. Budget goals and dream filled skies. Can it, track it, we're on the right road. Turn those pennies into a treasure load. Save a little, trusting God. Join the Sassy Scribble Squad.
Hey, Sassy Scribble Squad. I'm Patricia, and welcome back to Sassy Scribbles Co. I'm documenting my real journey from eviction to financial freedom, one budget at a time. If you're trying to take control of your money, rebuild after a setback, or simply need some encouragement, I'm so glad you're here. Now let's jump into today's video. All right. Okay, Sassy Scribbles Squad. We have officially made it to day 16. Out of those 16 days, I had 2 spend days. And instead of beating myself up about those 2 days, I just want to actually take a look at what I spent and why I spent it. Okay, so as you see, Saturday, Sunday, the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, I didn't spend anything. And I spent on Wednesday the 5th. First, no spend. I needed some things for my channel. You know, I do saving channels and I do saving challenges and stuff like that. And so I bought some things that I felt like was much needed. Because my channel is not only my personal channel, but it's also me growing a business. So there's some cute little items that I thought that I needed. Maybe it was a want, but to me it was a need because, I need to do my videos. And so the first thing was I spent $130. And what I did was I set aside, because I seen some things that I wanted, I set aside $130. And then I went on Etsy and then a couple other websites and bought some things like challenges, envelopes, and stuff like that. You'll see. Check out the unboxing video, my first unboxing video that I did, and you'll see. And so that's what I did. I took $130 and I purchased a couple of things that was needed. Even though some of these things are connected to Sassy Scribble Co. and my channel, I'm still counting it because money left my account. I want to be completely transparent during this challenge. So that was the 130 spent there. And then I didn't spend anything the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, and here we go. 15th, which is Saturday, I did spend $35. And that was on ordering food. I had forgotten to take something out. Me and my husband had been tired for the day, and we took a nap. By the time we looked around, it was like 7 o'clock. So if I couldn't, we really don't have any fast foods in the home. So it was too late to thaw something out to cook. So we just ordered and it came up to $35. And so that one definitely counts as a spend day because ordering out is one of those expenses I'm trying to be more intentional about. So altogether, so far, I spent $165 total during the first 16 days of this challenge. Even though I'm filming this video on the 16th. It's not going to show to the 17th, and I'm not counting the 16th yet because it's still the 16th. Even though I don't expect a no spend, but I'm still not doing it yet until the next update. And you know what? I'm actually proud of those 14 no spend days. In the past, having a spend day might have made me say, well, I messed up, so forget the whole challenge, but I'm not going to do that this time. This journey isn't about being perfect. It's about becoming more aware of where my money is going and making better decisions moving forward. I spent twice, wrote it down. I'm taking accountability for it. And now we keep going. Also why I call this a financial fast. For me, it's not only about saying no to spending, it's about learning discipline, being grateful for what we already have, and becoming a better steward over what God has blessed me with. 2 days with spending do not erase the other 14 days. So I'm going to keep going. If you are doing a no spend challenge with me, tell me in the comments. How many no spend days have you had so far this month? And if you had a spend day, don't disappear. Come on back. We're continuing together. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Sassy Scribbles squad. Remember, no matter where you're starting, every budget, every prayer, and every small step matters. Until next time, keep moving from surviving to thriving, one prayer, one plan, one budget at a time.